All right. The date is September. All right. The day is August 11th, 2022 at 2:24 a.m. So, what's the deal, kid? What's going on here?
Well, we have some chorizo.
Okay, we're
I don't know how to open it.
All right, we do not know how to open the chorizo. All right. The chorizo has been opened. All right.
What the?
Okay, so we just. All right.
Should we grease it up a little bit? Get some
Yeah,
pictures.
let's get a little butt in there probably or something. I don't know. What are you thinking here? Oh yeah, no, that works for sure.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
How much are we putting on? Like this much?
Well, if we consult the archives, I do believe it was just a small amount. So if we're doing 2, that might be about good. That'll be put in the chop. Oh yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, that looks pretty solid.
Okay, that's you. Cool.
All right. So. All right. Yeah, that's awesome. All right. Okay. So. What are we thinking here? This is very scuffed. We're live.
Alright, so
All
we
right.
got the chorizo cooking up here. We just don't want to get sick. And on the video, it was like already cooked, so all you had to do was shred it on the grilled cheese. Yeah, by the way, we're making grilled cheese. You want to give the history on why we're doing this?
So, late night grilled cheese, right? So, late night grilled cheese was a very famous video used throughout the ancient Roman times. And so, today we're going to recreate this and hopefully don't overcook the chorizo because this is scuffed. We don't even got real fetching cilantro, bro. Look at this. Look at this ish. What the fetch? What the fetch? So, next step. Cut the cheese.
All right.
All right. Yeah.
We can probably just grab 3 and just like, or something.
Yeah.
Somehow like just like this.
We ran into a slight predicament here. We also got the fetching hexagon stop sign looking
We're gonna go.
cheese grater. What is this, bro? What? Let me take it around, dude. Yankee with no brim. What is that?
I don't know. I'm just stretching. Just a man.
Alright, so we put the chorizo on low. We're hoping this is cooked well enough.
Alright.
So it's looking pretty alright.
I mean, it's not a lot of meat, but you can't really have a whole lot.
No, I mean, it'll do.
So
If
then-
not, we can make it again.
Yeah. So here's what we're gonna do for cheese. So we didn't find any blocks of the sharp cheddar. So what we're just gonna do is just grab a bunch of little slices, stack them together, make a little thick little brick, and we're gonna just.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No. Yeah. Oh no, that's perfect. There we go. Look at that. I think that's enough for at least 3.
Okay, cut.
All right. Well, as the chorizo keeps shrinking and getting smaller, we have turned to Colby Jack cheese instead. The other cheese will not be mentioned of.
Yeah.
So,
All right, let's get this together.
all right.
Let me wash.
All right. Yeah, no, we're professionals here. October 11th, 2022. Best Buy. It's a great store. What do you think of Best Buy?
Yeah, I think it's great. Hopefully I can buy a new TV there soon when I move into the new place with Connor and May.
Yeah. Me too. When I move in there, I hope I get a TV as well.
Okay, this. Gosh, dude, is this cooked? Is it? Is it?
I don't know. Mason's a robot, so I'm good. Day in the life at West Side Pizza.
Where's the fake cilantro?
All right, very little, very little. Well, we're gonna assess the situation. All right. First of all, you gotta have one leaf. You know, shove it in your mouth. Whoa, 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 whoa! Okay, dude, shove one in your mouth. Shove
No.
one in your mouth. Do it.
Is that good enough? Is that too much? What do you think?
Fetch. Let's mix it. No, that's what he did. He mixed it up. Yeah. There we go. I guess that looks fine. Looks decent. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
So we're splitting the. Yeah. You're gonna fetch it, right? Boom. Boom. Here it is. So pieces.
Interesting. Very interesting.
Okay, boom. There's that. Okay.
Alright. What's the big?
So let's just get this a little cleaned out real quick.
Now we need to butter the bread. Butter the bread. We need to butter the bread.
Basically.
It is now 2:40 a.m. We have made some surgical procedures on the bread. It is now the perfect size. The butter has been placed in the pan.
You use like a little small, like little.
We had it. He's just pan or something. I don't know. Okay, all right. I don't know if that's the right tool for the job, but we'll just hope it works. All right, throw it on.
Wait.
Shoot. You gotta put it on first. Shoot.
You're good. Don't worry about the butter. The butter's fine. Here. Cut real quick.
Okay. After the quick commercial break, we have now loaded one bread. One Sammy has been loaded. Oh gosh. Oh goodness gracious.
Film.
All right, here we go. I'm feeling a bit.
I'm feeling amazed while I grab mine. Well, here. Reset.
Okay. It has been placed. Okay, now that's good. I think you just let it sit and then do the whole spatula trick that we learned from the one and only Mr. Late Night Grilled Cheese. Just hold it there for a bit. Not too hard though.
Yeah, we'll say.
Yeah.
We'll say.
Yeah.
Seems like you had it on there for a while. Like you kind of cut the video, I think, right?
Yeah, you did.
Well, while this is doing that, Mason, you want to get these two fetching sketchy pieces together for
Yes.
this? I'll trade you.
Yes.
Give a POV of you.
Let's wash the hands first.
Okay, I like it.
You can never have dirty paws in the kitchen.
Right.
So how's your day going?
It's great. It's still going. I think mix it around a little bit more.
Like my best friend Remy the Rat said, anyone can cook. But not Mason Ellen. I don't know how I was loud in the pizza kitchen, guys. Let me tell you. Alright. So we're just gonna that right there. Don't lose any of that Chiorzo, am I right, guys?
Alright.
It's looking plentiful.
Yeah, it's looking nice.
Kind of bountiful, to be honest. Alright. Yeah, what are we thinking here? I think that looks pretty beautiful.
Yeah.
You know, I'm gonna be honest. This could go worse.
Yeah, good.
So it's fine.
Press it on. Alright, now let's make a quick little switch.
Alright, okay.
Put that there.
Oh, you bet. Phone fetch. Freak. Flip. Oh, it's popping. We gotta go. How's it looking? Oh, you just filled all of it out of the side.
Might need a little longer. Honestly.
Okay. Oh no, I thought it was so low. Alright.
We need a better presser here.
We do need a better presser. Spencer. Am I right? Oh yeah.
In reality, we probably could just use the. I mean, we do have a what's it called?
I love those things. The
One of these.
Oh, you know, then it wouldn't be the same experience. Caden
Yeah, I'm
Peary.
thinking we get a little more butter because he did butter on both sides, right?
Yes. Yeah, he put butter down and then flipped it. Alright. We're thinking the butter's a bit cold here. Oh, that was a good throw. Good job.
Okay. Ready to flip?
Okay, here's the flip. Here we go.
Ooh.
Okay, that turned out really good.
Mix it up a little bit. Nice.
Dang. Dang. Wow. Now that is a professional right there. He's done this a few times. Ooh-wee.
Where?
Phil's out of the way. This is serious business right here. There we go.
One more press neutral.
One more press.
Front.
Okay.
Back.
All right. There we go. Oh, baby.
Juicy, crunchy, tender. Needs 30 more seconds.
30 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh, look at that flip.
Baby.
Oh,
Okay,
my
so
Lord.
are we thinking we get this off real quick and put the other one on?
I agree.
Okay.
I don't know if that's the smartest thing to do in a kitchen with a hot pan, but you know it works. It's all in the spirit of grilled cheese. Yeah, you don't let it air. No, it's totally chill. Water helps. You won't warp the pan at all. No, it's chill.
What are you talking about? Heat rises.
Good one,
We're
Caden.
probably gonna need a
Good one.
spatula.
We're gonna need a spatula.
All right, we're on the second sandwich. Mason's grabbing the cheese.
This is butter, my boy. This is butter.
There it is. Nice toss.
Alright, we're
Stir
moving
it.
here.
Yeah, get it all in the pan.
Alright. Let's get this pot simmering. Alright. Yep. When I used to play poker online with my friends. Friend. We used to have the pot simmer a lot.
What a throw.
Yeah, I'm gonna say this burner is not hot enough, but. Alright.
Look at all that butter.
Oh, look at all that just fell off.
Oh, it's all good.
Oh yeah, don't worry. It'll be cleaned up.
This will soon turn to this.
Trust the process.
We got some nice, some nice stuff going. And we'll be back. So, we are about 2 minutes in.
About ready for flip time?
And I think we're about ready. I think give a nice little hard press again, and then
Oh, call. Okay. Making sure we're still moving here. Still a foot. Alright guys, remember, like my pop used to say, never use 2 hands while cooking in the kitchen, but I don't follow rules. Alright. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
oh,
That looks kind of disgusting. But
look at
the
that color. Now we got the rest of the butter on there.
This is totally safe and practical. Don't try this at home.
Oh, look at all that butter. Oh, this,
Right in there.
ooh. Mmm. Give it a nice little press.
Okay, ready? I mean, this is serious.
Magician at work.
You'll never see another grilled cheese like this in your life. I'll tell you that.
Alright, so we got the other side nice and pressed down and
Final flip of the night.
alright, here let me get you a fetching plate.
I would really like that.
Alright.
All right, here we go.
Let's see the other side. Hey! What are you thinking? Another 30? Or is that good?
I'll take it.
Oh,
I'll take it.
alright,
I'll
bet,
take
bet,
it.
bet,
I'm
bet,
ready to
bet.
bite into this thing.
Alright, we're about to get.
Remember to always turn off. Remember to always turn off the oven, guys. Remember, Molly? Do you remember when you didn't turn it off 2 nights ago? Do you remember that? Do you remember that?
It's pretty decent. Alright. So, now it's time. Fetch redo, restart.
Hey, flip that one on the left. Am I right? Or, wait, no.
He's getting a new retainer tomorrow at 3 o'clock.
Lights broke the cap.
No cap. No,
Cap?
no cap.
Okay, we just open this, please.
Is that thing pretty high cheesed up?
So we got our mango habanero hot sauce, and we're just gonna hit a nice little.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Oh, stack on top. Stack on. Look at the cross section though.
Let's see it, dude.
Dang. Do you see the cheese just
That's
kind of
cilantro?
string out there? Oh yeah, we
Hey,
put
you gotta
cilantro
full
in
watch this
now.
next one now.
Here's the hot sauce.
Hey, pull
Oh,
apart.
that was
Pull-
that's a lot. That is a
this one.
that is.
Give you a nice little
All right,
treat.
here we go. Here's the pull apart cross section. We're gonna cut it this way, so
Yeah, cut it and then pull it.
Should we go
So
this
you can
way?
just get
Yeah,
straight.
either way.
This
Yeah, me.
this way.
Yeah.
Just give it a little chop and then pull that. Yeah.
All right, here we go. The cross section. Y'all ready for this? All right, here we go.
Oh.
It actually kind of. Oh no, I didn't cut it all the way. Oh, that's awkward. That's
Wait, wait,
awkward.
wait, it's okay,
Wait,
it's
wait,
okay.
wait.
Just rip it, bro. Just rip it.
Okay, all right. I wanted to do it slowly. Oh, it actually got some string to it though. Oh, wait, this actually might be busted. All right, guys, this is Mason and Caden here, and that is about what do you say? It's about 3 a.m.
Yeah. Literally 302.
3:02 in the morning, and today we got our late night grilled cheeses here. Okay. If
Mango habanero hot sauce.
If you're just tuning in, this is Chiorzo meat. We have Colby Jack cheese, cilantro, sourdough bread roasted on their finely grinded butter, and basically that's about it. We're about to dig in.
I'm ready to dig in.
Ready?
You ready?
All right, here we go.
Nice little dip on the sauce.
Yeah, we'll wait on the sauce for a bit. Yeah.
Alright, you ready?
You ready? 3, 2. Oh, okay. All right.
I like it. This is amazing. Try the sauce. It's not really that hot.
This is busted. Let me get in some of this hot sauce. This is way better than what I thought it was going to be. I still don't like hot sauce.
Yeah, you saw that.
Mason and Caden here, and today we're doing our food review on our Chiorzo grilled late night grilled cheese. Okay, so our cheese was grilled. All right, let me talk.
Okay, no, but seriously. If the Chizordo, how do you say it?
DiGiorno.
DiGiorno.
The Chizordo.
DiGiorno?
Okay, reset.
Alright guys, it's Mason and Cade back here. This is about take 25 because our phones are terrible. And we're now talking about our reviews of this late night grilled cheese. So basically we're looking at here Giorno meat, sourdough bread here. Colby Jack cheese because somebody, I'm looking at you, Rite Aid, didn't have blocks of sharp cheddar. Alright.
Okay.
And then this green stuff right here. Yeah, that's cilantro. Okay, so back to you.
Yeah, so I'd say this grilled cheese was so good for the first time us making one. It was a 9 out of 10 sandwich. And we can definitely make it better. This is our first time. I feel like we should do this again in the future.
Mm-hmm.
But I'd say 9 out of 10 grilled cheese sandwich. Super good. 3 in the morning. It was a success.
Yep. I gotta say, I'm not much of a hot sauce guy.
The hot sauce was good. Hot sauce was good. Here it is.
No, I was done talking.
There's our food review.